Good day, viewers. You are welcome. This is an interesting functional equations. We're given f of x plus 1 equals f of x plus 2 plus x to the power of 3. We're interested to find f of 11, given that f of 1 equals 5. And what is f of 11? You can pause this video and give it a try, and I'll be solving this step by step. So let's consider the solution. First is we are going to rearrange this question, so which is f of x plus 1. If I take minus f of x plus 2, so this equals x raised to power 3. Or simply, you can have it as f of x plus 2 equals f of x plus 1 minus x raised to power 3. Any of the two. So let's call this one equation 1. And again, we have to generate some chains since we have the initial values as 5 for f of 1. And to generate a chain, we need to go from f of 1 to f of 11. But suppose let's say I set x to be equals 1, 2, 3, and this keeps going to 9. And if we have x equals to 1, so this shows that we are going to have f of 2 minus f of 3 equals 1 raised to power of 3 using the first one. And again, if I have x equals to 2, this is f of 2 plus 1, that is f of 3 minus f of 2 plus 2, that is f of 4, equals 2 to the power of 3. And again, if I have x equals 3, we get f of 4 minus f of 5 equals 3 raised to power of 3. So moving on, if x equals to 4, since we are going from x equals to 1 to 9, we have f of 5 minus f of 6 equals 4 raised to power of 3. And if x equals 5, we have f of 6 minus f of 7 equals 5 raised to power of 3. If I keep going on, so we are going to reach f of 11. And let's say we have dot, 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 dot. And if I say x equals to 9, so this shows that f of 10 minus f of 11 equals 9 raised to the power of 3. So let's try to add all this together. So by adding all this together, we see that there are some that has already cancelled each other. So this is f of minus 3, this is f of 3. Both of them cancelled. And we have f of 4 also cancelled f of 4. F of 5 cancelled f of 5. F of 6 cancelled f of 6. And f of 7 is here. It cancelled f of 7. F of 8 cancelled f of 8. And we have f of 9 cancelled f of 9. Even we have f of 10 cancelled f of 10. We only have f of 11 and f of 2 up. And nothing cancelled here. We are going to add all this together. So let's try to do that. So from the above, we've gotten f of 2 and f of 11. So let's try to subtract this. We are going to have f of 2 minus f of 11 equals the sum of 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus dot 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 plus 9 raised to the power of 3. So these are the things we are going to add together. But let's try to consider this side first. So we are trying to add 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed plus dot 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 plus 9 raised to the power of 3. So it is very easy for us to apply the formula since this is a series. So let's try to apply the formula. Suppose I use the summation of k equals to 1 to n of k raised to the power of 3. So this is the same thing as n into bracket of n plus 1 divided by 2, then all raised to the power of 2. So we can quickly apply this formula. Then, so trying to substitute, we know that the n is just like the last number here, which is 9. So putting this into this, we have 9 multiplied by 9 plus 1, all divided by 2, all raised to the power of 2. So this equals 9 multiplied by 10 divided by 2, all raised to the power of 2, equals 2 here 1 and 2 here is 5. 9 multiplied by 5, that is 45 raised to the power of 2. And 45 raised to the power of 2, it gives us 2025. So this is what we get for the sum of everything there. But again, we need to know f of 2. Initially, we are given f of 1, which is equals to 5. But what is f of 2? So if you consider from f of x plus 1 minus f of x plus 2 equals, so this equals x raised to the power 3. And suppose x equals to 0, we are going to have f of 1 minus f of 2. This equals 0. So this shows that for every f of 1, it's still the same thing as f of 2. So f of 1 equals f of 2. But f of 1 is 5, therefore f of 2 also is 5. Cleared? So if this is cleared, then let's try to substitute. From f of 2 minus f of 11, so that will be 5 minus f of 11 equals 2025. And if we try to collect the like terms, we are going to have f of 11 equals, we have 5 minus 2025. And the result of this gives us minus 2020. So this is the solution that satisfies this problem. And I only solved this using only one method. If there's any other method of solving this, you can drop it in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye. And please don't forget to share as well to reach more audience.